Load management in engine control systems. Load up or down program. The load up or down program is a feature integrated into the engine control system of various machines, typically marine engines or large industrial engines. Its purpose is to regulate the gradual increase or decrease of the engine's revolutions per minute, RPM, beyond a certain threshold set by the engine manufacturer. This threshold is established to ensure that the engine operates within safe thermal and mechanical limits. In other words, it prevents the engine from experiencing sudden or extreme changes in load that could lead to excessive stress on its components. Engine thermal stresses and tolerable limits. Engines, especially large ones, generate a significant amount of heat during operation. This heat causes various engine components, such as pistons, cylinder walls, and cylinder heads, to expand. These components have a certain threshold of thermal expansion they can tolerate without causing damage or affecting the engine's overall performance. If the engine's RPM changes too rapidly or drastically, the rate of heat generation and expansion can exceed these tolerable limits, leading to potential failures, warping, or other forms of damage. Load program's role in stress management. The load program aims to mitigate these risks by controlling the rate at which the engine's RPM changes. By gradually increasing or decreasing the engine load, the load program helps manage the thermal stresses on engine components. This gradual approach allows the heat dissipation and component expansion to occur in a controlled manner, reducing the risk of damage. Bypassing the load program. In certain situations, it might be necessary to bypass or cancel the load program. This is typically a decision made by the ship's master or operator, often due to urgent and critical circumstances. For instance, if a vessel is in imminent danger of grounding, collision, or another serious hazard, the ship's master might decide to bypass the load program to quickly increase or decrease engine RPM, thus providing the necessary power to maneuver the vessel away from danger. Risks of bypassing the load program. While bypassing the load program can provide a rapid response to emergencies, it comes with significant risks. Rapid changes in engine load can subject the engine components to sudden and high thermal stresses. This can lead to accelerated wear and tear, potential overheating, and even catastrophic failures if the stress exceeds the parts limits. The decision to bypass the load program is a trade-off between addressing an immediate threat and potentially compromising the long-term health of the engine. In conclusion, the load up or down program in engine control systems serves as a crucial safety feature that manages engine RPM changes to prevent excessive thermal stresses on engine components. While it's designed to provide gradual load changes for the engine's health, there are situations where bypassing this program becomes necessary to avert immediate danger. The decision to bypass it involves careful consideration of the potential risks and benefits in a given emergency scenario.